if I had to pick one, those bad boys right there.
And he makes fun of me like, mom shoes.
They kind of are. But...
No, but they're getting cuter these days.
Okay, so before Jessica and I share our favorite workout shoes, just want to provide a little bit of context around what you're about to see. I share my favorite overall training shoes. So there's different training shoes that you could be wearing based on the activity. So if it's a sprint workout, would be one type of shoe. If it's like a heavy leg day workout, another type of shoe. But this one that I recommend is just as an overall fitness shoe. And when it comes to Jessica's favorite workout shoes, she actually did a whole video sharing all of her favorite workout shoes. So you can click right up here to go check that out. So with that said, let's just get into today's video.
So Megan Pulvermacher, Twitter. If you could only keep one pair of gym shoes, which would it be? I love my Nano 5.0s, but I'd miss my Sprint TRs.
Sounds like we are like one and the same because
twins.
we have the same kicks. But I gotta say, my favorite all time have been my Nano 4.0s, but they were custom made. So if you've probably seen in a few of my videos, I got Live Lean written up the back. I have two pairs of Nano 4.0s, but the custom ones, even though they're not custom fitted to my foot, they just feel like they're so much better than my other Nano 4.0s and my Nano 5.0. So if I had to pick one, those bad boys right there. What about you?
Mine would be my New Balance sneakers. I love the brand New Balance. I'm just so into that right now. I used to like Nikes, but now I'm a New Balance girl. And he makes fun of me because New Balance are like mom shoes.
They kind of are. But...
No, but they're getting cuter these days.
No, I mean,
they're
I got
really cute now.
I have a pair of New Balance.
And they feel really good.
They're casuals, but
yes.
they're cool. I remember like when I used to work at a sneaker store, I used to always push New Balance on people because they were so comfortable.
Oh, really? That's good to know.
Yeah,
okay.
they were so comfortable. They're really high quality sneakers. Just like the design of them, like they're just not as.
It depends on which like style. Like I have a couple of different New Balance, and they're all different styles. So I don't know which one I would keep.
But that's another great question.
I want like 20 pairs of sneakers, not just one.
Yeah, I was gonna say I could talk about sneakers for like ever. It's one of my things. I'm gonna have a closet full of sneakers. That's just
like a sneaker fetish. You feel that way about sneakers that I feel about sunglasses
or makeup.
Or makeup.
So if you're really into sneakers, not just training and workout sneakers, but also like lifestyle sneakers, you know, Yeezys, Jordans, those sort of things, I have an Instagram account called @RockTheseKicks that I'm starting up. So if you want to see more things that I'm rocking from a lifestyle perspective as well, you can go follow that Instagram account. Also sell sneakers, trade, buy over there. Go check it out. To find the best workout and nutrition program for you, go take our Live Lean Body Quiz. Answer 4 simple questions and we'll get you on the best program based on your goals. Every training program includes warm-ups, workouts, cool downs, and nutrition plans. We have it all. Go take the Live Lean Body Quiz here. Question of the day: what is your favorite workout sneaker? Share your experiences in the comments section below. And if you want to see more of Jessica's workout sneakers, she actually did a complete video on that. You can click right over here, go see every workout sneaker that she has.